Good morning, Sampark family. So thank you so much for giving me this wonderful opportunity to present my Parichay here. So let me share my story, which starts with this inspiring story. So there was a king. In his kingdom, one woodcutter has recently joined, and the king was really very impressed by his work. And because the first month he cut down 18 trees in his kingdom, and king was really very glad. And in the next month he tried his level best but was only able to cut 15 trees. And in the third month again he pushed himself a lot but was only able to cut 12 trees. And the king came back and asked this question to woodcutter, what is the reason behind your decrease in productivity? And the woodcutter immediately replied that maybe he lost his strength, or because of his old age he was not able to do that level of work. But king was really very sharp, and he analyzed all the scenario and he saw his ex, and he immediately asked his question to the woodcutter, when did you sharpen your axe last time? And the woodcutter was really very shocked to know, because in the last 3 months he was not a single time he sharpened his axe, and that was the only reason, that is the only reason behind his decrease in productivity. And I was really, when I read this story, I was able to connect this story with me, because few years back I was doing a job. I was giving my 110%, but I was not satisfied with my job. So I thought, what is missing? I have to figure it out. And one day, I don't know what's wrong with me, I woke up at 2 a.m. and I started thinking about myself, what I actually want to become in my life, right? So at 2 a.m. I was stressed out, really very stressed out, and I just took one page and I wrote dream, and उसके नीचे मैंने लिखा life, and this is how मेरे firm का नाम बना Dream Life Counselling. So I have analyzed myself, like I had a lot of weakness, and I thought I have not yet sharpened my skills, so I need to analyze myself. So I took whole 2 years to analyze about myself. So first thing जो मेरे में मिसिंग थी वो था लैक ऑफ पर्पस. मेरे पास पर्पस ही नहीं था, और लाइफ में अगर पर्पस नहीं होता है तो आपकी लाइफ का द एंड होने में ज़्यादा समय नहीं लगता है. सो फर्स्ट पर्पस आई रोट दैट मुझे अपनी ड्रीम लाइफ जीनी है, एंड दिस इज़ हाउ मेरे फर्म का नाम मैंने लिखा ड्रीम लाइफ काउंसलिंग. सेकेंड, I was a very introvert person. I was not even able to speak in front of 2 people. And you can see now I am a motivational speaker, trainer as well as counselor. So मैंने अपने आप को इतना डेवलप किया है. So मैं आपको अपने परिचय से ये बताना चाहती हूँ कि nothing is impossible. Nothing is impossible, because the word impossible itself says that I am possible. If I can do it, anyone can do it, right? So these are some of the glimpse जहाँ पे मैंने बहुत सारे प्रोग्राम्स कंडक्ट किए हैं. इसकी कुछ फ़ोटोज़ हैं. मैं ऑनलाइन क्लब से बहुत एसोसिएट हूँ, और मैं अपने आप को बहुत पुश करती हूँ ताकि मैं एक लेवल अचीव कर पाऊँ. एंड मेरे ड्रीम्स बहुत क्लियर है, एंड मैंने जो प्रॉब्लम फेस किए हैं, मैंने जो अपनी लाइफ में अप्स एंड डाउन्स फेस किए हैं, आई डोंट वांट कि कोई और भी फेस करे, इसलिए हम लोग काउंसलिंग सर्विस प्रोवाइड करते हैं. सो या एज राजगोर सर टोल्ड मी माई नेम, एंड अबाउट दिस स्पॉज आई एम स्टिल सर्चिंग, सिंगल, आई नो, कहीं कोने में बैठा होगा. सो दिस आर माई हॉबीज़, एंड दिस आर माई फेवरेट पास टाइम. ये सारी पेंटिंग्स मैंने बनाई हैं. नेक्स्ट, एंड करंट सर्कल ऑफ इन्फ्लुएंसेस VMA नागपुर, एंड जो क्लब से मैं एसोसिएट हूँ वो गुरु स्कूल्स ऑनलाइन क्लब है. एंड या सो दिस इज़ व्हाट माय प्रोफेशनल इंफॉर्मेशन इज़, एंड आई हैव अ लीडरशिप स्किल्स, प्रॉब्लम सॉल्विंग स्किल्स, पब्लिक स्पीकिंग, सोशल स्किल्स. इसमें मुझे बहुत ज़्यादा इंटरेस्ट है. एंड इफ़ यू वांट कि आपको अपना कॉन्फिडेंस डेवलप करना है, सो प्लीज़ डू कम टूवर्ड्स मी. Yeah, last slide, please. Yeah, before that. Yeah. So these are my customer type I would like to have. Thank you so much for patiently.